Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. And today, I am gonna show you my new toys. Let's begin!
What is that?
It's a Sun and the Moon Burning Shadows Pokemon trading card game.
Oh, it's a card?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Oh, we got so many Pokemon.
Pokemon cards?
Yes, we got so.
Or you like Pokemon cards or Pokemons?
Cause we got a trading card game. Let's see what is the first
You like
card.
to play cards?
Yes. Oh, we got a trainer's super scoop up.
Scoopa?
Super scoop
Oh,
up.
scoop up. Okay. Next.
Oh, trainer Suffocills.
Alright.
And it's another basic. It's Hoot Hoot. It's another basic. It's Lady Ba.
Okay.
And trainer Kiawi. Who's this guy?
Kiawi.
Kiawi.
Alright, Kiawi.
Oh, it's another basic. It's Wimpod. This is a stage 2 version. Lycan Rock. And it's a basic again. Passimian.
Stick is like a
Can
cat.
we pick one?
Huh?
Can we pick one?
What do you want, Mommy? It's Arquanid.
It's Aqua Runoid. Next.
StikBot!
StikBot. Alright, you want some chocolate first?
Oh, yeah.
Next chocolate.
Oh, it's a Kit Kat strawberry.
Alright.
Okay, the next one is StikBot Action Pack. Role play accessory. It's a blue guy. It's a blue guy. Oh, you can get the other one. Hairstyling. I got the
The blue
weapon pack.
weapon pack. Okay.
Oh, this is the guy.
The small
StikBot.
guy. The StikBot.
Oh, some weapon.
Okay, po pwede siyang dumikit sa lamesa. Ganyan?
Let's see.
Let it stand. Okay.
Oh, it can split.
Okay.
It's bendable too.
Camera.
Oh, it cannot stick. Oh, it can stick.
Yan.
Oh,
Alright, so, okay.
these are the clippers. So we got more weapon. Oh, we got a hook.
Anong ginagawa mo yan?
Inaalis po yung mga weapon. I have a katana by Leonardo and pirate sword
Pirate sword? Ah, okay.
and a big giant axe.
Oh, meron ka ring hook yata. You have
Yes,
a hook? Ah,
for a pirate.
how about a gun?
Oh, yes.
You have a small gun. Alright.
Oh, we got another.
What is that?
It's a knife. Let's put
So in
some.
order for the StikBot to hold those weapons, kailangan palitan.
You see, it's stuck on there now.
Okay. Ah, got you. So pwede mo nang ilagay yung or i-hold yung mga weapons.
Yes.
Yan, try
I
one.
will try the katana. See that?
There you go.
See that?
Oops. Wow. That's cute. May pangalan ba siya? Would you like to name him?
Yes.
Ano ang pangalan niya?
It's Brian.
Brian?
A few moments later.
That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye.